Hello. I believe I am live. I'm trying a different way to record a video this week, so we're going to see if it works. So this is Chris again. We're coming back with some more coding stuff. So what we did here this week was we added two more options. We had list projects and select project. So a lot of stuff to get done here. So added it in the case statement. So you had select projects here. So we did have to add here um, project. And also I had this as a method last time. It did not work. So I had to restructure things to use it as, so we have list projects and then we have, where's the other one? I don't know where it is really quick. Hang on. So we have list projects and we have select project. So select project, we'll start with that one because that one's easy. So select project basically just pulls in the list projects. So it basically uses this method in order to compile this. And then we go to fetch project by ID, which is something different. And then we use the cure project, so it decides whether or not it's that's what it actually uses to print out. So we go to project service. So here, this is just so we have a try catch or catch exception, no such element exception here. So that just allows us. This is for the by ID one, fetch project by ID. We'll just go ahead and do that one quick. We're following that back. So this has an exception in here to say if a project doesn't exist, and then it sends it back to project DAO. So project DAO, we have fetch project by int. So here we're going to select from our project table, which is projects, where the project ID is equal to whatever the selection we have. And we're going to get the materials from project ID, material steps, and categories. And it's all based on that integer that we enter in. So then we have fetch categories by project. And so we have a SQL statement here that allows us to search for that category and then compile all of those in a while loop. Same thing with fetch steps and fetch material. It's just a different SQL statement and different, but basically the same thing. So now if we go back to the project tab, we have list projects. So it's the same basic concept, except you're going a different route. So we're going to select projects. In this case, we're getting it from the project name. Going through project or fetch all projects, or sorry, we're going from the name of the we're getting it from the project ID essentially. So then we're going to go back to the DAO. So we've got fetch. Oh, sorry, wrong one. We've got fetch all projects, and we're just going to select all by the project name and report that back. And we're going to select all of these. We're going to add them to the projects and return it back. And then we'll just go ahead and run it. So go here. So we can do list projects. So number 2, enter. And we get the full list. I've only made 3 projects. And then we can select a project. And the only one I put anything into was clean kitchen. So I'll add some more later when I have a little bit more time. And we have all of these get grabbed that we can just hit enter and we exit the menu. All right. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.